Imagine for a moment that everything you know, our planet, our solar system, even our entire galaxy, is just a tiny speck in a much, much larger cosmic ocean. It's almost impossible to wrap your mind around, but that's the reality of our universe. Let's start at home, with our own Milky Way galaxy. When you look up at the night sky and see that faint milky band stretching across the darkness, you're actually looking at just a small part of our galaxy. A vast spiral of stars, dust and gas that stretches over 100,000 light-years from end to end. Scientists estimate that the Milky Way contains somewhere between 100 and 400 billion stars. And orbiting those stars are countless planets, some rocky, some gaseous, some frozen, and some possibly teeming with life. In fact, astronomers believe there could be about 40 billion potentially habitable Earth-like planets in just our galaxy alone. That's 40 billion possible Earths, each with the potential for oceans, mountains, and maybe even life forms we can't yet imagine. But here's where things get truly mind-blowing. Our Milky Way is just one galaxy among an estimated 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Each of those galaxies is a sprawling city of stars, planets, and cosmic wonders, some much larger and more spectacular than our own. That's 200 billion Milky Ways, each with their own billions of stars and planets. Imagine the sheer scale of it. Every tiny point of light you see in the night sky is just a fraction of what's out there. And beyond what we can see, there are likely even more galaxies, hidden from our view by the limits of our technology and the speed of light. The universe is so vast, so staggeringly immense, that it's almost impossible to comprehend. To put it in perspective, the odds of Earth being the only planet with intelligent life are estimated to be 1 in 6 sextillion. That's a number so huge, it's almost meaningless to our everyday experience. That's a 6 with 21 zeros after it. Just try to picture that for a second. It means that statistically the universe should be teeming with life, perhaps in forms and places we can't even begin to imagine. And here's another astonishing fact. The part of the universe we can actually observe, the so-called observable universe, is about 93 billion light-years across. That means if you could travel at the speed of light, it would take you 93 billion years to cross from one side to the other. And that's just the part we can see. But the observable universe is only a tiny fraction of the whole. Beyond that, the universe could be vastly larger, possibly infinite. Some scientists estimate that the true universe could be at least 150